As the weather cools and gatherings start to fill our calendars, it's the perfect time to get your home ready for the season ahead. Andryanna Gonko is the host of the podcast The Juggle is Real and joins us this morning with more. Andryanna, good morning.
Good morning, Rick. How are you?
I'm fantastic and excited to talk about this. And let's start with decor. How can we transition our homes for the holidays without going overboard?
That's right. You know what? We can go from fall to festive. It can turn from cozy to chaotic very quickly, but HomeSense really shines here, and it is one of my favorite stores year round. But the holidays is perfect for this time of year because we can go from fall to festive in one quick shop. Now, if you are in stores right now, you're going to find beautiful tones, beautiful textures, and you can mix what you currently have with a few new pieces. You're going to find things like motif drinkware, which is so lovely if you're doing any entertaining. Beautiful decanter gift sets. This is great as a hostess gift. Also, if you have guests staying overnight, which is so wonderful. It also has beautiful bakeware. If you have those tried and tested recipes like I do, we do baking with my mother-in-law and sisters-in-law every year. So things like the cake tins, the ramekins, these beautiful mixing bowls that come in a set with a whisk and everything that you need for your baking. So it's beautiful to start your holidays and to begin to prepare and to transition. I also love to layer in some of the holiday decor. So we have November birthdays in our house, so we don't go from fall to the holidays right away. But things like a cozy throw, perhaps some decorative pillows, maybe a candle that's in a lovely holiday scent. This is how we can start to create that warm and welcoming atmosphere. It's all about creating a space that you want to have guests to, that you can feel cozy and you can feel at home in. So definitely head to HomeSense and see what they have to make sure that all of your holiday needs and hosting needs are met.
You're in your kitchen this morning. We know that is the heart of every gathering, from preparing, hosting, and the inevitable cleanup, of course. What's helping you keep things running smoothly at home?
Yes, and you said it right, Rick. You know, when the kitchen is working and when everything flows, everyone feels better. And it is the heart of the home, especially when you're hosting. So I have 3 game changers in my kitchen that are helping us as we gear up for the holidays. We have a big extended family. The first one is going to be our fridge. Now, Whirlpool's new 36-inch French door fridge, it has a family size capacity. And that means it fits everything from the grocery haul to the pre-made party platters and the charcuterie trays. And the freezer space, if you are doing the baking, it has tons of room for all of your treats. Second, the cooking. Of course, this is so important. It has a no-fry preheat air fry feature, which is wonderful for the big gangs if you're making appetizers or hors d'oeuvres. It also has a wipe clean coating like you just saw there. So any spills, you're going to wipe away with water, no stress, no harsh chemicals, no scrubbing. It's beautiful. And Rick, you said the cleanup is the last thing, but the Whirlpool dishwasher has a total coverage wash. We have different styles of loading the dishwasher in my house. My husband likes to just throw it in there. I'm a bit more meticulous, but that's okay with the total coverage wash. Everything comes out sparkling. It also has the largest capacity 3rd row rack. So your serving trays, your glassware, the bowls, everything has a perfect spot. So head to whirlpool.ca to learn more about these and how Whirlpool's making family life a lot more functional.
I have about 90 seconds. What's your best advice for families heading into this busy season?
You know what, Rick? I mean, you want everything to be perfect. You want everything to be beautiful. But instead of focusing on perfection, I would say to focus on the connection, right? The reason why we're hosting, the reason why we're having family and friends is for that warmth and that laughter. So if we can just take the perfection aside and focus on what really truly matters around the holidays, I would say that is the main feature. And, you know, we can enjoy it with people we love. So if you're heading to HomeSense, you're picking up that beautiful little piece that makes things look beautiful, or you're looking to make things more functional with an appliance from Whirlpool, all of it really comes together when you're connecting with family. So definitely keep things fun, keep things festive, and don't put too much pressure on yourself.
I have about 30 seconds. Where can people get more information about you and what you're doing this holiday season?
Yes, well, like I said, this is just our transition from fall to festive. So we have a lot planned. So we're looking to connect with our family. My son has a birthday coming up, and we've just moved into this house. So we're really trying out all of these new things. We're heading out to get those perfect finds.
Sorry to interrupt. We're out of time. Thank you for your time.
Thanks so much, Rick.
And thanks for watching Morning Live here on CHCH.